Hi G4G Squad, this is Shez bringing you another video from Girls for God. Today we're going to make a scrummy dip that you can take to school with some biscuits or chips for morning tea, afternoon tea, whatever the go is, or you can make it home for a very quick afternoon snack. This one is really healthy and it's great for firing up those brain cells. So stick with us and learn to make some guacamole.
For this recipe, it's really simple. You only need 4 ingredients: avocado, lime, salt, and coriander.
Now, if you want to get a little bit fancy, you can add some chopped up red onion and diced tomato, but for today we're going to keep it really simple. Okay, so first we're going to get our avocado and a knife. Now, if you're unsure about doing this, definitely get an adult. All you need to do is run your knife around, twist, and you've got an avocado half. Obviously mine's not 100% half. Now, an easy way to get your avocado out is to just scrape, don't pierce the skin, get a spoon, I'll bring my bowl, and we scoop it into our bowl. Now, if you've got any little brown bits that you don't like, I'm a bit picky, we just scoop them out. Second half, now for the pip, it's really easy. You just get a knife, twist and pull it out. Once again, this just makes mashing it a little bit easier. So we've got our avocado in the bowl. First things first, we are going to mash. Now this is really good. You just get a fork. Now, if you like it fairly chunky, you don't need to mash it too much. The creamier you want it, obviously, the more you will mash. Now, we're going to mash it a little bit, and then we'll add our other ingredients and mash it some more. So, very quick. Okay. Now, we're going to add our lemon. So we've got a lemon. If you want a lemon, the greener it is, the better. This one's got a little bit of yellow, but it's got plenty of green. Now, if it's a fairly firm lemon, you want to roll it on the bench or a table. Room temperature is a lot better. What we're going to do is we are just going to halve. Now, we don't want to halve it lengthways, we want to halve it right in the middle, and that makes it easy to squeeze. So squeeze in half a lemon. If it's a little bit hard, you can use a lemon or a citrus press. Give that a good. Now the lemon also helps it break down a little bit, so you get it creamy. Okay, we'll save this half of the other half of lemon until a little bit later. Next comes our coriander or cilantro. I love cilantro, so I'm going to put in a fair chunk. If you don't like coriander, you can omit this part, but we just want to roughly chop. Now, if you don't have fresh coriander, you can also use the little squeegee tube of coriander that you can get at the supermarket. Dump it in your bowl. And give it a good mix. Okay, the last step is to add a pinch of salt. At taste. So you taste, if you'd like a little bit more tangy, add some more lime. We love ours tangy, tangy, tangy. And there you go. So there you go. a very simple, quick and easy dip for you to have. You can have it, it's great with biscuits, crackers, whatever. Now if you're making nachos or tacos, this is a really quick and easy addition to your meal as well. But this is a fantastic study snack. Avocados are great. They've got some good fats in there and vitamin Bs which help kick in that brain power. All you need, once again, are 4 simple ingredients. It takes less than 5 minutes and you're good to go. This is Shez. Bringing a video. Lemon, 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 lemon.